What's up, YouTube? For today's video, we're going to test out a Chemical Guys product. It's called Activate. This is a spray sealant. It says maximum shine, weatherproof protection, works on all colors. What you got to do is you got to shake it up. As you see here, it's different colored here, different chemicals in there that have to be mixed up. So that's an important factor before you use this product. So yeah, it claims it'll be a couple months of protection from the weather. We're going to go ahead and test it out on a Chevy Equinox, see how it shines, see how it looks, and then we'll do a water test on it to see how hydrophobic it is. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so right here you can see what the hood looks like before. We're going to take a Chemical Guys applicator pad with the Chemical Guys Activate, and we're just going to spray it onto the pad. To avoid overspraying on anything I don't want the sealant to get on. This particular sealant doesn't go on the glass, doesn't go on the plastic, says it can go on the paint, any surfaces of the vehicle, but I'm just going to do it on the hood for right now, so I don't want that mess going all over the place. With the microfiber applicator pad, you can see that it goes on pretty smooth. I do have to keep adding a little bit of product as I go to prevent some of that streaking and gapping to where it may not be covering the whole surface. All the products say a little goes a long way. I typically tend to overdo that just a little bit, but I'm cool with that. So here you can see it did haze up almost immediately. I'm gonna hurry up here and do the other half of this hood, and then we'll wait the 15 minutes, then we'll come back and we'll buff off the excess. Alright folks, we waited the 15 minutes. I'm going to use my Eagle Edgeless 500 that I got from the rag company. It's just a real soft plush towel I like to use for buffing off polishes, waxes, sealants. Anyway, like all the products nowadays, they go on real easy, they come off real easy. It smells kind of sweet, like a candy-ish scent to it. But yeah, now as for the ease application and the ease of buffing this one off, this one's definitely up there. With one of the good ones, it's coming off really smooth. I can already see the gloss that it's leaving behind. You can probably see here through the camera. It's very bright, it's very shiny. You can see the clouds and the sky and everything just reflecting off of the surface. So it looks fantastic. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hit it with some water. Let's see if the water sheets off. Before I say anything there, the vehicle is parked on a backwards downhill angle, so the water may not sheet off as fast as what you would think it would. So here we go, we'll hit it with the water. See lots of beading already. It is already repelling the water. It is sheeting off pretty well. Do keep in mind, like I said, the vehicle is parked on a backwards angle, so it is gonna be a little bit draggy. Just the way that it's going to be with the angle of the vehicle. The flat surface is kind of angled. But anyway, lots of beads. Let's get in here real close. Look at that. Nice. Still shiny. It's beading up all over the place. Once those beads collect enough together, it just sheets right off the paint. Right there goes one. Go ahead and hit it with some more water. So far I'm liking this. This is a really nice product. Make sure you leave a comment. Let me know if you've used it before, if you like this product, if you think this video shows that it did well, or if it did poorly. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit it with, I'm gonna take the nozzle off of the hose here and just hit it with straight water out of the hose. See how that performs. So from what I'm seeing here, it's sheeting off really well. Like I said, if this would have been parked flat or maybe downhill as opposed to backwards downhill, that I think that would be sheeting off super quick. It's still pretty well. You can see right there, kind of at the center of the hood, there's almost no water beads, almost nothing. It almost completely came off. So anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. This was Chemical Guys Activate Spray Sealant. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, feel free to subscribe.